Imagine waking up in your dream home, only to realize it's not where you left it last night. Sounds crazy? Welcome to the world of manufactured homes. You've probably heard the whispers. Manufactured homes are cheap and flimsy. Site-built homes are always better. But what if everything you thought you knew was wrong? Buckle up, because we're about to shatter some long-held myths. Manufactured homes are designed for efficiency and affordability. They're constructed in controlled environments, which can mean faster build times and potentially lower costs. But don't mistake them for the flimsy trailers of yesteryear. Modern manufactured homes can be surprisingly luxurious. We're talking granite countertops, hardwood floors, and energy-efficient appliances. It's not your grandma's mobile home anymore. Let's address the elephant in the room: stigma. Manufactured homes still face some societal prejudice. But here's the kicker. Many people can't tell the difference between a modern manufactured home and a site-built home without being told. Now, let's talk money. Financing a manufactured home can be trickier than a site-built home. But don't panic. There are options, and we're about to spill the beans on some insider secrets. Did you know that the classification of your manufactured home as real property or personal property can make or break your financing options? It's not just legal jargon, it can affect everything from your interest rates to your taxes. Here's a shocker. Some lenders offer special programs for energy-efficient manufactured homes. These green loans could save you money on both your mortgage and your utility bills. It's a win-win situation worth exploring. Let's dive into the mysterious world of chattel loans. Never heard of them? You're not alone. These loans are specific to manufactured homes and come with their own set of rules and considerations that'll make your head spin. Chattel loans typically have shorter terms and higher interest rates than conventional mortgages. But they can be easier to qualify for and might be your best option in certain situations. Let's talk about credit scores, the magic numbers that can make or break your home loan dreams. They play a crucial role in any home loan application, but did you know that the requirements can differ between manufactured and site-built homes? It's true, and knowing the specifics could give you a significant advantage. We're talking about information that could be the difference between approval and rejection. This is the kind of knowledge that turns dreams into reality. Here's something to ponder that most people overlook. Your loan options can vary depending on whether you own or rent the land your manufactured home sits on. It's a factor that can have a massive impact on your financing options and long-term costs. Now, let's bust a common myth that's been holding people back. Many believe that manufactured homes always depreciate in value. But is this really true? The answer is more nuanced than you might think, and it can affect your loan options in surprising ways. Some lenders offer special programs for energy-efficient manufactured homes. These green loans could save you money on both your mortgage and your utility bills. It's a win-win situation worth exploring. Let's talk about refinancing, because it's not just for site-built homes anymore. Manufactured homeowners now have more options to refinance and potentially lower their interest rates or tap into their home's equity. But it's not all roses and sunshine. Here's something to consider that could revolutionize your home buying experience. Some lenders offer construction to permanent loans for manufactured homes. This unique option can simplify the financing process and potentially save you a boatload of money. Let's talk about loan limits, because size does matter when it comes to home loans. They exist for both manufactured and site-built homes, but they're not always the same. Understanding these limits is crucial when planning your home purchase and avoiding nasty surprises. Now, here's a curveball that could change everything. What if you're interested in a multi-section manufactured home? These larger homes can offer more space and amenities, but they also come with their own set of financing considerations that'll make your head spin. Let's address a common concern that keeps many potential homeowners on the sidelines. What if you have less than perfect credit? Don't lose hope, because there are loan options available for manufactured homes, even if your credit score isn't stellar. Here's a tip that could save you countless hours and headaches. Consider working with a mortgage broker who specializes in manufactured home loans. Their expertise can be invaluable in navigating the complex world of financing options and securing the best deal. Now, let's talk about closing costs, the hidden fees that can turn your dream home into a financial nightmare. They're a reality for both manufactured and site-built homes, but did you know they can differ significantly? Understanding these costs up front is crucial. Let's address a common question that veterans often ask. Can you use a VA loan for a manufactured home? The answer is yes, but there are some important caveats you need to know about. We're talking about specific requirements that could make or break your deal. For starters, the manufactured home must be classified as real property, not personal property. This means it needs to be permanently affixed to a foundation and taxed as real estate. No wheels allowed here. The home must also meet specific VA and HUD requirements, including minimum square footage, proper roof pitch, and compliance with local building codes. And forget about single-wide mobile homes, they're off the table for VA loans. Here's a kicker that might surprise you. The VA requires the home to be a new unit, never previously occupied. The only exception is if you're refinancing a VA loan you already have on a manufactured home. Talk about strict standards. Don't forget about the land, because the VA loan must cover both the home and the lot it sits on. No leased land scenarios here, you've got to own the dirt beneath your wheels. It's all or nothing with VA loans for manufactured homes. Inspection requirements are stricter for manufactured homes under VA loans. They want to ensure the home is properly installed and meets all safety standards. Prepare for a thorough once-over that'll leave no stone unturned. Finding a VA lender for manufactured homes can be like finding a needle in a haystack. Not all VA-approved lenders offer loans for these homes, so you might need to do some extra legwork to find the right one. But don't let that discourage you. Despite these hurdles, VA loans can offer fantastic benefits like no down payment and competitive interest rates. Just be prepared to jump through a few extra hoops. It's a small price to pay for the potential savings and benefits. Now, let's talk about a crucial point that many homebuyers overlook: insurance costs. The type of home you choose can significantly impact your insurance premiums, which in turn affects your overall housing costs. It's a factor that can make or break your budget. Manufactured homes often come with higher insurance premiums due to perceived risks. But don't panic, there are ways to mitigate these costs, from choosing certain safety features to shopping around for specialized insurers. Let's dive into property taxes, because they're not created equal for manufactured and site-built homes. In some areas, manufactured homes are taxed as personal property, while site-built homes are taxed as real estate. This distinction can have a big impact on your wallet. Understanding how property taxes are calculated for your specific situation can help you better estimate your true housing costs. It's not just about the mortgage payment. We're talking about the full financial picture that many buyers miss. Here's a game changer that could tip the scales in your favor. Some states offer special programs or incentives for manufactured home buyers. These could potentially save you money or expand your loan options. It's like finding a cheat code for the home buying game. These programs can range from tax incentives to special financing options. But here's the catch: they're often not well publicized. Now, let's address a crucial point that can't be overstated: the importance of shopping around for loans. Don't settle for the first offer you receive, because comparing multiple lenders could save you thousands over the life of your loan. We're talking serious money here. But shopping for loans isn't just about the interest rate. You need to consider fees, terms, and the lender's experience with your specific type of home. It's like comparing apples to oranges. Here's a final thought to ponder as you weigh your options. Your choice between a manufactured home and a site-built home isn't just about the structure itself. It's about your lifestyle, your financial goals, and your vision for the future.